My name is Jamie Miller, Marketing Manager at First National Bank of America. I've been with First National for just over 6 years now, and in the financial industry for almost 20. Non-QM is short for non-qualified mortgage. It's an alternative type of mortgage that caters to borrowers who may not fit in your traditional lending standards. These loans tend to offer more flexibility in terms of eligibility requirements, making homeownership attainable for a broader range of individuals. Qualifying for a non-QM loan can be easier than qualifying for a traditional loan. Part of the reason that I say it could be easier is in a traditional setting, you have to have 24 months usually of income. With non-QM, normally 12 months is all we need. So that gives you a lot more flexibility, meaning if you've only had a job for 1 year, or you've only been self-employed for 1 year, you're not taken out of that equation when it comes to non-QM, where with the traditional mortgage, 12 months of self-employment isn't going to work for them. With non-QM it is. So in that sense, qualifying for non-QM would be easier for your self-employed borrower. Non-QM loans can really be a lifeline for people that can't qualify for traditional financing. They're perfect for people who are self-employed, independent contractors, freelancers, people who have an irregular income stream. Think of your DoorDash type occupation or side hustle. Then there's the people that have less than perfect credit histories, a complex financial situation, or a higher debt to income ratio. If you've experienced a recent credit event like a bankruptcy or foreclosure, getting a loan with First National through our non-QM loan program allows us to approve you or qualify you for that loan in as little as 1 day after the credit event. That's different than your traditional mortgage. Many traditional lenders require about a 4-year period of time before you're able to even apply for that mortgage. But non-QM with First National makes it a lot easier. One of the great things about the non-QM loan programs at First National Bank is our flexibility in credit. We are able to approve borrowers with credit scores as low as 600 all the way up. But then we are also able to look at those borrowers who have not established credit yet. One of the factors that is going to be considered when you're applying for a home loan with First National is your DTI, or debt to income. In most traditional mortgages, that debt to income ratio can't be above 43%. With First National, we go up to 55% debt to income, which gives you a little bit more wiggle room. Non-QM loans can accommodate all different types of property: single-family homes, multi-family homes, investment properties, mobile homes, vacant land, non-warrantable condos, and even townhomes. With a non-QM loan, you have the ability to either purchase a home, whether it's your first home or a second home. You have the ability to refinance your existing, and you can take cash out with a non-QM as well and use that for remodeling or potentially paying off other debt. And in some cases, you can even refinance with cash out in order to buy a second home.
Unlocking your dream home with a non-QM loan is closer than you think. For more insights and to explore your options, visit our website at www.fmba.com.